So first we're going to go through the buttons that are on the laser. Starting off with the power button, front and center on the bottom middle. We got our Bluetooth connection to the right of that, and our detector connection to the left of it. To get the full working range, you're going to want to connect to the detector, and then the detector can Bluetooth connect to the phone, which I will show you later. Going to the items right above the detector, this is where I can change my rotation direction. So I can either go clockwise or counterclockwise. And this will also allow me to set my slope and dial that in when I'm in slope mode. To get into slope mode, this button on the top right here will allow me to enter into slope mode. The button directly underneath it will allow me to control which axis I am controlling, whether it's the X or the Y. It's important to remember that the X-axis runs horizontally this way, while the Y-axis runs vertically through the unit this way. Two more buttons left. My RPM right up top. I can control this from going from 300 RPM to 600 to 1200 RPMs. As well as the button right underneath it will allow me to set a scan angle. Scan angle will allow me to control my job site and set up different angles that my lasers can work off of. If I have multiple lasers on my job site, I don't want them interfering with the same detector, I can set a 90-degree angle, I can set a 30-degree angle, I can set a 15-degree angle, and that way my lasers can work in opposite directions with different slopes.